Thank you so much once again for tuning in into the Informer YouTube channel. My name is Rogers, and today I want to show you how you can cut a video using Premiere Pro. I've gotten a lot of questions from my fans, and they've been asking me how they can cut a video using Premiere Pro. We have Premiere Pro CC 2014, 2015 up to 2019. So this video is going to show you how you can cut a video in any of those softwares. Now go to your laptop, and if you have installed the software, either you bought it, you open that software in your computer. It can be in your laptop, it can be in your desktop. Of course, it takes some time to load because it's a bit heavy. It's bulky. Yes, it's loading. It's very easy to cut a video in this software. Very easy. Yes, and today that is what I want to show you on how you can cut a video using Premiere Pro, and this process can apply in CS softwares. We have CS6, CS5, etc. It can also apply or any other software depending on the interface, but this is the basics. If you can get this, then you are good to go. Yes, it opens, and now here it's asking you to create a project. You can see it's asking you to create a project. Now we go to here, new project. It opens. You just label it. Let's say me. You can call it that. Okay, and I want to show you up there. Yes, that's where the name is. You can call it me, and then here it's where you save it. Local location, you click here, and then for my case here I save on the desktop. Then you click select folder. Display format should remain time code, display format audio sample, capture format, just leave it the way it is, HDV. Then click OK. After you have clicked, it will open the interface. It's just opening, it's loading. It's opening the interface. Yes, that's opened the interface. This is how it just looks like. That's how the interface looks like. Now you go to file. After you go to file, then you move to down here where there is import. You can see import there. Yeah, it's there. You can see. Let me show you. Yes, let me zoom my camera. You can see import there. Yes. Now you click import. Go to your videos where you've saved any video. In this case, my videos are on the desktop. Select any video and then open. It will just load. It will just load. That is the video. And then down here we have the timeline here. You just hold on that video, you drag down. Yes, up to there, as you can see. Now I want to zoom in here so that I can teach you what to do here. I want to zoom in my camera. Yes. Now, as you can see, this is our video. Yes, Yes, it's playing. You can see this is a timeline. It's playing. Now you can use a cursor to move this to any direction you want. Yeah. Then we have a display window here. Up there we have a display window. We have a display window up there. Yes, you have a display window there. So it means when you play, you'll just see where you want to cut your video. If it's at that point, you just pause. Just pause at that point. If this is where you want to cut your video at, let's say 15 seconds, you put this line there. You can use this to monitor where you want to. For example, here I want to cut it at 15 seconds, or we can say 25 seconds. You use here to monitor 25 seconds. Now I want to cut it here, and I don't want this part. I want to remove this part here, this one, and remain with this one from the introduction. Take your cursor here. You can see a razor blade, this one, razor tool. Click on it. Then don't drag anything, just move your cursor slowly to where the timeline is. When you reach here, then left click on it. You see it has cut that video into two. If you want to delete this part here, you come to this, you left click on it, then just move your cursor, click on the part you want to delete, then on your computer click delete. Yes, and that part is over. Now that is how you can cut a video in any software. That razor tool helps you to cut the video in any software. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Please, what you can do, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to get the future videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.